Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add text box in photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your photopea. Then create a new file. Create a new layer. Click the shape. Right click. Use rectangle and use fill color. Or do not use fill color as you wish. I use example fill this color white and stock color example black. Press enter. Then hold shift for this fixed size and do not hold shift. Click and drag on your mouse custom size and use px resize stroke size. Then again create a new layer, click the text, right click, type and type anything. Double click and resize, change text color, example black. And again hold control, align middle. Press Ctrl Z. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.